Barack Obama. I know the song's not very long, but I don't think it's going to take much if you open your minds and your eyes to see just how good this man has been. Vote for Barack Obama, 'cause he's better than the rest. Yes, he got Osama, he's already passed that test. He saved GM and Chrysler, that's about 2 million jobs. Changed the rules for banks and Wall Street to help us keep what we've got. When you go down to the polls and you want the man that's best, vote for Barack Obama, 'cause he's better than the rest. Vote for Barack Obama, 'cause he's better than the rest. Barack Obama, a president for all Americans, not just a few. Yay. Yay.